So hello guys, my name is Thomas. Today we discuss in this video what is entrepreneurship's history. History usage. Entrepreneurship UK also is a loan word from French. The word first appeared in French dictionary Untitled Dictionary Universal de Commerce compiled by Jacques Broussillon and published in 1723, especially in Britain. The term adventurer was often used to denote the same meaning. The study of entrepreneurship reaches back to the work in the late 17th and early 18th century of Irish French economist Richard Cantillon, which was foundational to classic economics. Cantillon defined the term first in his essay Sur la nature du commerce and journal or essay on the nature of trade in general, a book William Stanley Jevons considered the cradle of political economics. Cantillon defined the term as a person who pays a certain price for a product and resells it at an uncertain price, making decision about obtaining and using the resource while consequently admitting the risk of enterprise. Cantillon considered the entrepreneur to be a risk taker who deliberately allocates resources to exploit opportunities to maximize the financial return. Cantillon emphasized the willingness of the entrepreneur to assume the risk and to detail with uncertainty. Thus, he drew attention to the function of entrepreneur and distinguished between the function of entrepreneur and the owner who provide the money. Jean Baptiste Say also identified entrepreneurs as a driver for economic development, emphasizing their role as one of the collecting factors of production, allocating resources from left to field that are more productive. Both Say and Cantillon belong to French school of thought and known as the Psychocrats, dating back to the time of medieval guilds in Germany, as craftsperson required special permission to operate as an entrepreneur. The small proof of competence which restricted training of apprentice to craftspeople who held a master certificate. This institution was introduced in 1908 after a period of so-called freedom of trade in German Reich. However, proof of competition was not required to start a business. In 1935, in 1953, greater proof of the competence was reintroduced. Was required craftspeople to obtain a master apprentice training certificate before being permitted